In this video, we will demonstrate the new and improved reporting features of operational reporting in AIQ Unified Manager 9.6. For a start, the third-party reporting engine is being replaced by native scheduling, styling, and customization of reports. This means no additional VM requirements for custom reporting with BERT. With this release, you can now download any inventory page as CSV, PDF, and/or customize any inventory page, and save the view perpetually. You can download any saved views on demand, or just customize a view and download the content as CSV or PDF. Saved or built-in views can be scheduled to be sent as email reports over a period of time based on your requirement, including the new QoS data that is available on 9.6. You can integrate any standard reporting tool that your enterprise may use. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, etc. This way you still get all the benefits of Unified Manager's processed data, all while keeping your reporting structure intact. Let's look at a few examples. You want to view specific events related to QoS, or new filter events based on severity. Add additional filters if required. You can download this custom view directly from the GUI. Let's say you navigate to Cluster's inventory page. The self-help pop-up explains how you can customize and save any view. You want a customized view of health data for all volumes. You can customize and save the view perpetually. Here I am filtering the view based on my requirements. And then I save this view with a name. You can either download this view as is or schedule the view to be sent as a report over email. Select the format of the report that you want to send as an email. The Scheduled Reports tab on the left-hand side takes you to all the views that are scheduled to be sent as email. You should ideally upgrade to 9.6 GA if you have custom reports created via BERT in your current Unified Manager version. If you, however, have customized reports from the canned reports and are thinking to upgrade to 9.6, you need to recreate these since the reporting engine has changed in this version. On upgrading to 9.6 GA, all the customized, imported reports via BERT in your earlier version will appear under the Scheduled Reports tab. You can go ahead and edit the email recipient or the email frequency based on your requirements. Post-upgrade, you will not be able to edit the report query. However, you will be able to view the SQL query used in these custom reports by hovering your cursor on the report. This can help you port it to a standard reporting tool of your choice for further edits. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more info.